In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set a nickname for a conversation in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Instagram app, and once it is done, just stop right here to go to your conversations list. The thing here is that we cannot change the name for a single person conversation. However, we can set the nickname for a group conversation. So now I'm gonna scroll down, and here we are looking for some group. I'm just gonna enter that one. Here we can see the names of all users in that group, and down below here we can easily find change name and image. We need to click right here and then select change name. On the next step, we'll be able to set any name for our group chat and then hit done to apply the changes. And basically, guys, that's it. As you can see, I've just successfully set a nickname for this conversation on Instagram. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.